Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infinity of Nashua. Today we have our 2021 GMC Sierra Denali. Absolutely gorgeous truck. It is freezing. You can tell the doors are frozen shut. It is freezing cold out today. Where are we at? 15 degrees. Yeah, I'm good. Sticker price when new of $65,405, 19,079 miles. This one has the tech pack, driver alert pack, power sunroof, the Onyx Black. Oh yeah, this is a gorgeous truck. This one has, I believe, the 10-speed auto, if I'm not mistaken. Do they not put that on there? Yeah, there we go. 10-speed auto. This one has the 5.3. Absolutely gorgeous. Virtual rear view mirror, as you can see. Can't see my hand. There's your sunroof. A bunch of different backup cameras. That's your forward camera, reverse camera, front and top. Front and rear top views. You can view the truck backwards, down both sides, front and back, of course. Have your 360 camera pop up. And both mirrors do drop down when going in reverse. The thing I love about Denalis is how comfortable they are. Just for driving around, these are super comfortable trucks. These are all-terrain tires, but they're factory equipment, so they're not very loud at all. Heated steering wheel, heated seats, cooled seats. I mean, everything you need it has. Sirius XM radio, navigation, everything. These trucks come fully loaded. Oh yeah. This 10-speed's phenomenal. I haven't driven one of these things on the road in a while. I mean, obviously everybody from my personal channel, you know how I used to drive in parking lots. Feels great to have one of these out on the road again. I love these trucks. In terms of kickdown, this 10-speed's great. And then it will gradually downshift back down. So in case you floor it, and then you have to get off the gas and back on it, it's still going to be in the power band. I love that. Ooh, big sun. There we go. Oh, what awesome trucks. I get why these are so popular now. I really do. I always understood. I almost bought one. Yeah, that would have been a bad decision. But although that was before the market went crazy, so I probably could have gotten a decent deal on them. I love the brake pedal feel too. It is right there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.